Hey guys, my name is Janelle from Anissa and I'll be doing chapter 6, sampling and estimation, and our problem today is from page 216 and number 21. The question reads as follows. In order to compare the method used for the time taken to complete a task, 20 workers are randomly selected and each assigned randomly to one of the two methods. The times taken to complete the task were recorded, and we are supposed to construct a confidence interval which we can use to compare the two methods and interpret the confidence interval obtained. So, from the question, we can see that we're not given the level of significance, so we assume that the level of significance is 5%. And also, since the sample size is 20, we'll assume that it's normally distributed. We chose this formula because we are not given the variance explicitly, so we use this one. This standard deviation. And we're using this one, S1 plus S2 individually because we are not assuming that the variances are equal. So what you did is, for the two methods, we inputted these numbers to the calculator to find the mean for method 1 and the standard deviation for method 1 as well for method 2. So what we got for the mean for method 2 is 23.1. I was using this the whole time. Sorry. %, divided by 2, and you're getting 5.4171 squared over 10. This difference is going to be 4.4 plus or minus Z 0.025 multiplied by this still 5.4171 squared over 10 plus 5.62. For this one, we're going to the inverse normal distribution table, and since we can find the number this small, we're going to say 1 minus 0.025 and we'll get 0.975. So that's the number we'll use here, which is going to be 1.96. This is supposed to be squared, so. And what we're getting is negative 0.2428. Are you guys getting the same answer? The interval?
Yeah.
So since we want to compare the time taken for method B and method A, since in the interval we're getting negative 0, and okay fine, this is a positive number, we can't conclusively say that method A or method B has a shorter time than the other one. So we don't know the difference between the two methods, the time taken, and so there's no difference.
Please repeat the last part.
The last part of the question was saying, because we have a negative number in the interval, we can't conclusively say there is a difference between the two methods. We're comparing the time for method A and method B, right? So since there's a 0, we're saying there's not really a difference between the two methods. So that's why.
You asked. I still don't
I
understand.
did ask.
You asked again that I still
We'll ask what
I
Tina is
still don't
asking. Is
understand.
it because 0 is included or is it a negative now?
And but I still don't understand.
Don't make my job difficult.
Yeah. I still don't understand.
I think it's because like it's negative 0.2428 and 9.0427. And as you can see, like 0 is included between those numbers. So if there is 0 included, like we can't reach a proper conclusion.
Actually, we can make a conclusion on this, right? So we're saying that since we are 95% confident that the true mean of the difference between these two samples lies between this and this number, which means that 0 is included in this, you see? So there is a possibility that x1 minus x2 is 0, which means there is no real difference between the two methods, you see? So there's no difference between the time taken for method A and method B. Yeah.